Welcome to Touring Globe. Here comes December packing guide for traveler. Soft snow drifts down over a montage of glowing Christmas markets in Europe, crowded airports with holiday travelers, golden December sunsets in tropical beach towns, and safari jeeps driving across warm African plains. Gentle festive music plays in the background. December is one of the most magical months to explore the world. Whether you dream of snowy wonderlands, sun-soaked beaches, or vibrant holiday celebrations, this month delivers unforgettable experiences. But amid all the excitement, one thing matters just as much as your destination: packing right. The wrong items can make your trip uncomfortable, while the right ones can turn it into pure joy. Welcome to the ultimate December packing guide for travelers. Your journey starts here. 1. Winter clothing essentials. For those heading to icy destinations like Switzerland, Austria, New York, Finland, Iceland, or Canada, December requires some serious preparation. Begin with a solid base layer, thermal tops and leggings. These keep you warm by trapping heat close to your body without making you feel bulky. Next, add a mid-layer like a warm fleece or woolen sweater. This layer retains warmth and keeps you insulated. Finally, top it off with a waterproof, windproof winter jacket. Choose one with proper insulation, a hood, and multiple pockets for gloves, maps, or hand warmers. Pack thick socks, insulated gloves, scarves, and beanies. They may seem small, but they protect your most sensitive areas from freezing temperatures. If walking on snow, ice, or sleet, bring snow boots with excellent traction to avoid slipping. You can also pack pocket-sized hand warmers and thermal insoles. These tiny additions can make freezing winter days feel surprisingly comfortable. 2. Tropical destination essentials. For travelers escaping the cold and heading to warm, sunny destinations like the Maldives, Mauritius, Thailand, Brazil, Zanzibar, Kenya, or the Caribbean, your December packing list transforms completely. Pack breathable cotton clothing, loose shirts, linen pants, comfortable shorts, and airy dresses that allow your skin to breathe. Don't forget your swimsuits or swim trunks. December is perfect for diving, snorkeling, and beach days in tropical climates. Carry a wide-brimmed sun hat to protect yourself from direct sun and sunglasses for eye safety. A lightweight shawl or scarf helps during cool evening breezes or cultural site visits where modest dress is required. Since tropical regions often have sudden rain showers, pack a lightweight raincoat or poncho. A waterproof dry bag is essential. It keeps your phone, passport, and electronics safe from splashes, humidity, and rain. 3. Holiday season outfits. December is full of events. Christmas celebrations, Christmas Eve dinners, holiday markets, New Year's countdowns, office parties, and winter festivals. Pack at least 1 or 2 festive outfits suitable for holiday dinners or celebrations. Women can carry a stylish dress paired with warm stockings and a coat. Men can pack a blazer, warm shirts, or a semi-formal sweater. Shoes must be stylish yet comfortable. You'll likely do a lot of walking during holiday activities. Add simple accessories like a scarf or earrings that can elevate any outfit without taking much luggage space. 4. Travel health essentials. December often brings dry air, seasonal flu, and fluctuating temperatures. Always carry a compact first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, cold and flu medicine, bandages, antiseptic cream, motion sickness tablets, and any personal medication. If you rely on prescriptions, pack enough for the whole trip and store digital copies of your prescriptions. Bring hand sanitizer and antibacterial wipes. December crowds at airports and attractions increase the risk of catching colds. Use sunscreen even in winter. UV rays reflect off snow, increasing exposure. Moisturizer, lip balm, and hydrating mist prevent dry skin caused by cold air, strong winds, and airplane cabins. 5. Weather protection gear. December weather is unpredictable. Sun one moment, rain the next, and snowstorms just hours later. Pack a foldable travel umbrella for sudden rain. If you expect snow or icy streets, bring waterproof gloves, a rainproof jacket, and even shoe grips or crampons for slippery surfaces. For sunny destinations, add polarized sunglasses and a UV protection hat. If you're hiking or exploring nature, carry a lightweight windbreaker and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. 6. Packing for technology. Tech items are your lifeline when traveling, especially during holiday season chaos. Pack a universal travel adapter, as electrical outlets vary widely. Carry 2 portable power banks. Holiday airports often mean long hours and limited charging stations. Protect your laptop, camera, and gadgets with padded sleeves or waterproof cases. If you plan to record your December adventures, pack a compact camera, a GoPro, extra batteries, memory cards, and a foldable tripod. Download offline maps and backup your travel documents on a secure cloud storage service. 7. Toiletries and personal care. Different climates need different care routines. Pack travel-sized toiletries: shampoo, conditioner, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and shaving tools. Include moisturizer, sunscreen, body lotion, and lip balm. Cold weather cracks skin, while tropical sun burns it. Women should pack sanitary products as they may not be easily available in remote areas. If traveling to very cold areas, carry nasal spray or saline drops. Cold air can dry your nasal passages. 8. Documents and travel essentials. December travel is busy, and losing documents can be a disaster. Carry your passport, ID, visa documents, travel insurance, flight tickets, hotel reservations, and vaccination proofs. Keep digital copies in your phone and a backup in your email. Use a money belt or RFID protection wallet to avoid pickpocketing, especially in crowded Christmas markets. If renting a car, pack your international driving permit and any required paperwork. 9. Gifts and souvenirs preparation. December is shopping season around the world. Keep extra space in your luggage for souvenirs, holiday chocolates, ornaments, or gifts. Packing cubes help stay organized. 1 cube for outfits, 1 for gadgets, 1 for toiletries, and so on. Carry foldable tote bags for market shopping or sudden purchases. If buying fragile items, wrap them in clothing for extra protection. 10. Smart packing techniques. Efficient packing saves time, space, and stress during holiday rush. Roll your clothes instead of folding to maximize space and reduce wrinkles. Use vacuum-sealed bags for heavy jackets and sweaters. They reduce bulk dramatically. Keep essentials like a power bank, snacks, headphones, and a travel pillow in your carry-on for easy access. Label your luggage clearly with your name and number, as December is peak season for lost baggage. Consider using AirTags or tracking devices to keep track of your suitcase. 11. Safety and security tips. The holiday season is beautiful, but also busy and sometimes risky. Keep your valuable items, passport, money, and electronics, close to your body. Avoid displaying expensive jewelry in crowded areas. Check weather updates and flight status frequently in December, as delays and cancellations are common. Always lock your suitcase and avoid leaving bags unattended. A montage shows travelers enjoying all kinds of destinations. Snow-capped mountains, glowing holiday streets lit with fairy lights, sunny beaches, and safari plains under golden sunsets. Wherever your December travels take you, through snow, sunshine, jungles, or festive cities, the right packing ensures your journey is stress-free, comfortable, and unforgettable. Plan smart. Pack well. Travel light but wise. And most importantly, enjoy the magic of December around the world. See you in the next video.